Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going on. The attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know some people, boy, me I tell you saying, you know sometimes some sad things can occur, some sad things can happen, my people, and some wicked and cruelness on a real level. So I'm talking about the incident now, my people. What them say happen down there in WESTM0RELAND, Jamaica, my people. You understand pan Negril side, my people. See? What them say a 38-year-old farmer, my people, ganja farmer, was found carried in our shallow grave. A female, my people. You understand? And now they must say police and the hunt for the boyfriend. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So with all of the details that I get, my people, and the info I get pertaining to this incident, yeah, me I go share it with you all. But what I want to do, my people, because I want the story to be so good, so great while covering it, my people, but definitely I go read this thing, you know what I mean, of the report, of the whole thing, of the finding of the body and thing, my people, so you can all get a brief understanding about the story and where the attacking boss is coming from. So, read up NEWLINK. Police are searching for a man after the decomposing body of a woman was found in a shallow grave near her house early Friday morning in WESTM0RELAND, Jamaica. The body has been identified as that of 38-year-old farmer Kerryanne Williams from Maint area. The woman's throat was slashed and marks of violence were found on her private parts. Jaja says, Jaja knows. Reports say she was last seen at her house Wednesday night. Screams were reportedly heard from her house due to an altercation she was having with her boyfriend. Williams' boyfriend reportedly evaded the police and is at large. Police are still investigating the matter. My people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. What me I gonna say now, my people? Zane, she's 38 years old. You know what I mean? She have her man, my people. Them have trouble, they have problem. Not the first time them have argument over there. Not the first time them have fight over there. You understand, my people? She wasn't a soft woman. Meaning one of them soft women, you know. Baby, stop now. Baby, me done, man. What, my baby? She wasn't that type. She was one of them who say, yo boy, go chuck off this. Yo boy, go suck, hey. Yo boy, you can't tell me what to do. Are you a pum boy? I feel me this in her, God give me this boy. Yeah. So she have her man, my people. You know what I mean? And upon a real level, my viewers and subscribers, the man find out something. Yeah. Based on info where me I get my people, the man find out so she a give her the tuntun. See? And that's the problem there. See? And when the man find out so she a give her the tuntun now, the man start talk to her about it, my people. Because in the first time have argument on this now, my people. And your response was like, I don't fear you. God give me it, you can't tell me what to do with it. All type of same thing, my viewers and subscribers. And at the end, it reached to a level where the man managed to take out her 3 piles of paper. She gone. Him take her out. See? My viewers and my subscribers, residents who live close by, because people never live too far from the house, them hear the balling over there. Them hear the nice, the cussing. But as me tell my people, it wasn't the first time them in they sitting here, and then maybe 2 toes, you see the 2 of them back in the arms, you see the 2 of them a bun way together, you see the 2 of them a drink rum out of 1 cup, and a bun cup of cigarette, cup of Matarana or craving here. It wasn't the first time. So a lot of people expect and think, say, look at them, man, I saw them turn, them argue over this, them fuss, them fight, then tomorrow, and them see him one that, and maybe if you go between them, you say the man a go on to this thing and she will turn pan you. Real talk, no joke about it, my viewers and subscribers. But sadly, they didn't know. Said this time the table go the wrong way, the table go the other way. Them didn't know, say, look at the man. The man strike. And the man managed to take out her 3 points of people. So when them do the and them not see her and them a wonder and them a think and them a ponder, my viewers and subscribers, the man already comes to boom me people have all done prepare already because him dig it before and the same day him dig here the same night that the all the dig already young go thing him for do is fling what him want put down in them people and throw dirt on it. And that's what the same thing do. And after him do that, my viewers and subscribers, he make him move. You know what I mean? So at the time of doing this record, because this happened, my people, yesterday, December the 2nd, when them discover our body and thing, my people, for the Friday. So today, after doing this recording, is Saturday, December the 3rd, 2022, my people. And I don't get no updates. So look at NEWLINK, them hold him now. Hopefully, you know what I mean? Even though I don't get the report, hopefully, say the police, them hold the same thing. See? Because no matter what, me understand say she wrong. You understand? Because sometimes, man, boy, me I tell you, no with the man, no the man tan. And you still can't control the same thing between the leg. You don't feel like you don't want to get this, you understand? But still, man, nobody believes me are supporting and back you when you don't take nobody 3 points. No! Me not back you when you take out you man them 3 points. Just like coming back you man them when them do the same thing. You understand? But when me I say, man, it should never reach a level where you go come say, boom, and take knife and this and chaka and saka the human tun. Eh? After you don't take her out, you take the knife and I cut up the day, push up your hand in there and I ring you out so you go pop you out because she go give you to this and she go give you to that. Come on, man. What went wrong today? Eh? Weren't something ain't playing right? Me understand, see how some woman are cruel and wicked, you know. And just because of one little argument in the relationship, then we go give you so them mad with you, you know. You understand? And that's the only way them can hurt you back. Me understand. And me understand, see how some man them cruel and them vicious. Because no matter how much tun them a get, no matter how much man them a keep, them just feel like say you fi be for them. Eh? Pan a real level and you can't do what them a do. Come on, man. Think about it, no, man. Eh? But sadly, my people, she gone. You understand? So a lot of people, they've been cussing the residents, them be blaming the residents and look at you hear the woman a ball. You know, hear she on no call the police, no do nothing. But as me telling you, my people, it's not the first time it happened today. You know what I mean? Me telling you, them say people go there already when them do this and what them want to turn pan the people, them on 2 toes, and them back. I drink rum out of 1 cup and I light 1 spliff together. And then I see them a come some woman a go up in hills and I go up the mountain saying gone a ganja farm together. And you know what we say, you are going between it and try to cool it down, try to bring peace. And you get the blame and you get the end of the stick. But on a real level, my viewers and subscribers. Eh? But sadly, my people, she gone. She's just 38 years old. Eh? And when do my people, Tasha done this. Ladies, I understand the frustration in a relationship sometimes. You understand how you feel. You understand me? Know so somehow no, that's the only way you feel you can't hurt a man is to give way. But you know the man tongue. And you know say the man cruel and the man vicious and you know when capable of doing because you see the signs and the action before. And you know say you always threatening and saying we do this but him not do it. But look at you know so the more practice the action will take. Eh? Because the mouth keep on say, yo, me will do this, me will knife you up, you know, girl. We will bust your throat, you know, you give me the thing, then we are going to get it for. You understand? But you don't know, say, two stay so boom, 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 round, so. The same thing. Yeah, you know what I mean? Ladies, be careful. Ladies, be careful. Me know say it's sweet, you know, sometimes when you know bubble pan it and I sit down pan it and I wine pan it. You understand? Because Mass John around there, so maybe not do it, so. Because some want to get you for no reason at all, you know. Some want to just get you for fun. You understand? Some want to get you because Mass John, Mass Packer say, yo, it's a 9-inch me a carry, you know. And because you got 1 2x4 around there, so, you know what I mean? 2 + 4, that's 6. You know what I mean? But you say you want to try that 9 there. You know what I mean? Now you come to boom and go get way. Eh? Then totos are 3 trees. The real one find out. And where lead to my people? 6'6". Read pan a coffin. Singing and mourning and bawling. Eh? Some sweet day. You know what I mean, my people? But as me say, the same thing it give no right for take our 3 points of people. No matter what, it give no right, my people. You know what I mean? So people, don't blame the residents. Them understand. You know what I mean? Understand them always I do it, my people. Them always are not the first, are not the second. But see, they sadly reach the level here. Sadly, he reached the level here, my people. Sadly, my people, big up on yourself, man. And more love, more respect, and more blessings. And the attacking boss, thank you to all my people for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and the comments, and for all of the viewers and subscribers who did it from day one. You understand who did it from when we just start do this, my people, because you know, see the ears them we do the vlog them, my people. You know what I mean? You never left me out. You stay tuned with the attacking boss, people. You get what me I say? Go through with it. You know what I mean? Sometimes we feel like give up, sometimes we don't feel like continue, my people. But look at the man. Keep me going, because when I stay say, I say, NEWLINK, me I go give up this. And when I look, say, when I just start this few much years of people, much years now, we have got 5 years I do this now, my people. And when I just start, I look at my comments, and I see the people and from them time there, because I know them, you know, and them still a comment, them still a show love to me. Oh, me feel like you know what, my people, I could never sell you out, no matter what. Me I go stay for my people. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And for that same thing there, who comes boom and do this to the human and attack it, my viewers and subscribers. A straight attack. No joke. No leniency. No play with the attack. Peace out, my people. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Blessings. Thank you all.